Have you ever been partway into a project and you realize you're running low on hardware? Well, if you don't feel like going to the store and you've got some all thread and some nuts, well, we can build a bolt. First thing we're going to do is build a little jig here, and then we're going to get out the welder. I'm going to end up cutting this all thread, so I'm going to put a nut on here so that after I make that cut I can just spin that nut off. It helps with the new threads. You'll see that I've left the nut just a little bit proud on these. That way hopefully I can get in there and fill this up with weld, get a good solid connection. That was cool. I don't care who you are. Well, there we go. They're not grade 8 bolts by any stretch of the imagination, but for the project they're being used for, they're going to be just fine. Thanks for watching.